Because his neck
That
was
was
so
so
painful.
awkward feeling that I'm wearing that neck belt towards my customer, and they are asking that why you are wearing this, and at this age they thought that अभी से ये सारी चीजें होने लगी. So ये चीज छोड़ने के लिए, ये सब उतारने के लिए मैंने ट्रीटमेंट लिया डॉक्टर सालेनी का. अभी देखो नेक बेल्ट भी नहीं है, नेक अप भी जा रही है, नेक डाउन भी जा रही है. इवन माय हैंड इज गोइंग अप स्ट्रेस एंड डाउन स्ट्रेस. ये ट्रीटमेंट है, ये पैसे की वैल्यू है. मैंने 400 रुपए 500 रुपए पिज्जा में नहीं बिगाड़े, मैंने 500 रुपए डॉक्टर सालिनी को दिए मेरे को बेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट के लिए.
एक भी दिन आपको मेरे को पैसा दिया हुआ दुखा क्या?
अरे बिल्कुल नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. पैसा तो मैं कमा लूंगा पिज्जा के लिए, पर मेरी बॉडी के लिए सबसे पहले.
जब यंगस्टर्स इतने कंसर्न्ड है अपनी बॉडी को लेके, तो हम तो समझदार है. हेलो एवरीवन, myself Dr. Shalini. I am a senior consultant manual physiotherapist and a cardiopulmonary rehab specialist. So today we are going to conduct a review of Mr. Chirag. So Mr. Chirag, would you be able to explain us what was your complaint? How did you approach me? And how was your review till now when you took my treatment?
Yes, of course. Thank you for first of all for treating my neck pain. I was getting from 6 years. In last, I was getting so many pain from neck that I am not able to explain my customer. Basically, I am Chirag Rawal. I am a salesperson as a sales manager of Rajan's Group. So my basically work is that I want to explain the customer from bend my neck. So by that I am getting the pain from neck. I search the physiotherapy on Google Map. So basically Google Map suggests me the best physiotherapy in the Surat area. That Dr. Salini was having many 5 stars on Google Map and many customer review, best review on Google Map. So I suggest and I prefer to get treatment.
Let me explain his condition. When he came for consultation, he was in such a pathetic manner. I can't even explain. The guy was not even able to sit properly. Like during the consultation, I was also able to feel his pain that he is not even able to sit properly, and he was constantly doing this movement to adjust his neck and to even speak in front of me. His face was so much expressive for his pain that he is not able to control that pain, and he needs an immediate action. So it was such a bad position he was into. Am I right, Mr. Chirag?
Yes, of course. See, he gave me the treatment of neck. I got the treatment, best treatment, that now I can get the neck up and down. By that I can explain to my customer and I expose my plan towards the customer.
So
Thank you for Dr. Salini for this treatment. And in future, I can also suggest to all the customer, please, if you are getting any suggestion for physiotherapy, please first prefer the Dr. Salini for further treatment. She will give best treatment for this your body.
I am so much glad to the patients that they choose me and they trust me so much for that treatment, that from the very day first he was doing everything I explained. I am ready to help, but the patient should also be able to respond well for the help I am lending. So he was the guy, he was the patient of mine that he was doing everything so genuinely without giving any break to the treatment session. Rather, he always tries to come for the second session per day also. Like today also, he has come for the second session of the tent, and he also has to climb up and down, up and down, up and down. Despite that, being tired also, he comes to the clinic, he gets his therapy done. The reason, can you explain why?
If you want your body perfect, then you have to have patience and you have to let go laziness out of your body. If you get out the laziness and you get the treatment from Dr. Salini, I guarantee you your body will be well perfect, and in future you will not get any problem from Dr. Salini or in your body with their treatment. I guarantee.
So this is the
And thank you for Dr. Salini for giving me that peaceful treatment and peaceful sleep. By this treatment, by that I can control myself and my pain. Now I can control my job also and my customers also and my neck pain also. Thank you for Dr. Salini.
I'm really very much blessed that I always get good patients, and in future also I would prefer to get good patients who follows my advice and who continues the therapy till the very end of the pain he or she is suffering from. So he himself promised himself, not me. I don't want any promises from patient. You come or not is not a matter of thing for me. You take or not sessions is not a matter of thing for me, unless you follow my advice. So it's your and solely your responsibility to keep continuing the sessions till you get completely out of that pain. So when it happens when you build trust on the therapist. I'm not saying everyone is liable for that trust, but you will have to find out who the therapist is who can cure you well.
Sorry for disturbing you, Dr. Salini, but if you decide that I have to be perfect in my life, then you have to remove your lazypun from your life. After lazypun from your life, then you will get the best treatment and best body pain relief from Dr. Salini. Thank you so much that I was the person that I think that I am a lazy person, but Dr. Salini suggests do not be lazy in the treatment. So I personally started doing the lazypun going from my body and getting treatment from Dr. Salini. After that, I realized that yes, this was the perfect suggestion from Dr. Salini. So I started taking treatment from her, and this was this was the 23rd session. I'm getting no pain from my neck. See, I'm not getting any pain, no even pain, because I'm not lazy person for my treatment.
Now he is not a lazy person and he will never be lazy person, because now he has understood that if you take continuous physiotherapy, see, if you keep on looking for money, you'll never be able to achieve and you will never be able to come out of pain. So ignore everything. Health is the only wealth you are having, and if you're not caring for your health, just think you are not wealthy at all. Health is the only luxury you can own. Wealth is never a achievement or is never a ending cycle. But health is an ending cycle which will stay with you forever and forever. So I would always suggest my patient, till your pain is zero, don't change the therapist if you are getting a proper result which you have thought for. So keep continuing the sessions, and I would also ask Mr. Chirag, can you little bit show us, exactly you cannot I even know, but can you little bit show us how was your pain first day? This is the same place he was sitting and he was explaining me, but he was not able to. So can you show that little bit of glance?
Yes, of course. I can show my pain. See, on the first day I cannot even see the upside. I was getting so much pain in my neck. I even look up also and look down also.
Even while maintaining the position, how was the position? Can you show us? Like now sitting this way only, can you show us? Were you able to sit this way also? Just looking on the camera?
I was sitting like this. After getting treatment from Dr. Salini, I am sitting like this and looking, and her giving the treatment. Okay, I have to see upside. The main neck position is that we have to look straight.
Yes.
I was not able to see upside and not able to sit straight also. After getting from Dr. Salini's treatment, I'm sitting sitting straight,
posture.
perfect station, and getting neck perfect station to see upside and straight also.
He was not even able to recognize what is the neutral point of straight eye contact. For him, straight was either down or straight was either little up. The neutral position was not being able to recognize from his end. Why? Due to the center of gravity has also changed for his neck. Why the posture was this way? So when you maintain this posture for a long period of time, definitely you will have some or the other neck problems. Yes, and it was not a single day pain for him. So you can understand when he was having pain from 6 to 7 years. He was keeping on rotating to to different doctors, but only one of the doctors he suggested that go for physiotherapy. For physiotherapy also, can you tell us earlier I don't want to know the place, but I want to know your experience. How did you felt when you went for a different physiotherapist treatment?
Basically, I also searched before 2 or 3 years before for physiotherapy in Surat area. But at the time, I got a suggestion of one lady of physiotherapy. She was only getting the pain where I'm getting. She was only giving the light heat on my shoulder pain. She did not start where is your pain, what I have to treatment, but when I got the suggestion of Dr. Salini, she preferred to get where is your pain. I have to learn about your pain. After I will give your treatment.
Yes.
She prefer to learn about my pain. I give her where I'm getting the pain. I given her all the suggestion that I'm getting neck pain, head pain and shoulder pain. Before where I was getting the treatment from physiotherapy, she only was giving me only hitting treatment of my pain. That wise I not continue within 7 days. So I quit from that physiotherapy after getting after getting my doctor suggestion. I search on Google and Google Map and Google about physiotherapy. I got the best review and best suggestion of Dr. Salini. After getting the treatment within 3 days, I am getting the best sleep. Was I am not getting before 3 months and 4 months. I am getting the best sleep of 8 hours. Thank you for Dr. Salini for giving me the best peace in my life and best relief in my pain.
So you can now understand how important is your health, how important is your sleep, and then comes your wealth. So if you keep on looking for money, you don't want to give it to anyone, you want to keep it with you, So how will you be able to recover? And even if you are spending to a wrong person, like earlier he went for 7 days of treatment to other therapist. So even going to the wrong person where you don't have the recovery at all. So what's the use of spending money over there also? When you are spending money, it should be wise enough that you know the outcome out of it. So my patients, yes, in some conditions they do take time, I totally agree. But my approach is always to reduce pain from the first or the second day itself. In some of the cases, yes, pain aggravates up to a level which sometimes patient is not able to bear. But when it comes down within a week or 10 days or maybe 12 days also, so when it comes down, the patient is so much relieved out of that previous pain also which he or she was having previously. But it is all up to body to body. So for him, can you explain us, did you had any pain after 3 to 4 days of session?
Not ever, not at all.
Not at all, right?
Yes, of course.
So see, it's all up to body to body. So he was not having pain, but maybe in your case it would be having pain. So nothing has to be compared. Nothing is like he was having, she was not having, she was having, he was having. Because your body is not getting adapted to the treatment, it will take time. So please, first of all, choose a nice therapist, a good therapist who can first listen you, not just what he or she wants to do to you. First we have to listen. So this is where I focus more on consultation. I always say, patient, please go for physiotherapist to do your consultation with a charge, because when you are not paying, just imagine what would be your condition in future days, or maybe you would not even be able to survive for a longer term treatment plans. So for him, as you can see, it's just 23rd session and he's so much, I can say he's so much satisfied, and he is able to now recognize that I'm really thank you, but I'm so much satisfied, and even he is so much satisfied, and he is now able to judge that maybe in future also he will never ever get pain if he continues to end the pain and continues to do the therapy sessions. So see, it is all up to individual patients, and it is all about how you think, what is the level of thought and thinking you perceive. First of all, build a thinking, build a thought, what you want. What you will get is later. Do you want to come out of pain, or you still want to be in the same pain? And then keep on aggravating, piling, and it will get a big blast one day, and then you will not be able to even survive that pain. So don't wait till that. Yes, I do understand that sometimes patients are not guided properly, like he was also not guided that he has to go for physiotherapy treatment.
Yes.
Had he been guided?
I suggest, sorry to interrupt
it's okay,
you,
it's okay.
that I'm getting from so many doctors, that so many suggestions from many doctors. Some was getting me that you are having a shoulder pain, you are having a neck pain, you are having a chest pain. After getting a consultant from Dr. Shalini, she is a friendly doctor. That she first of all she listen about our pain. She listen my pain, and she suggests me that your pain is not a shoulder pain, not a chest pain. She suggests me that you are getting a neck pain. After getting the treatment from neck pain, I totally getting a relief from all over my pain, from my what the doctor is suggesting me. Many of doctors suggest me to get operation of my nurse, that blood circulation is not coming, you have to do the operation of that. So I am the great patient of Dr. Shalini, that she have stopped my operation and given my second life of getting operation without operation. Thank you for Dr. Salini.
See,
Please, if you are getting any pain, and doctor suggests you go for Dr. Salini, go for the Dr. Physiotherapy. First of all, you have to search on Google where is the Dr. Salini. Call her and get the time from her and get the best treatment from her. I will suggest that you will never ever get any pain rest of your life.
so you don't just have to come to my clinic. I am available online, I am available offline, as in I can come at your home for home sessions at your own cozy home, right? You're most welcome to my clinic. You can take appointment, you can come accordingly. See, my schedules, it stays very tight, so definitely you will have to take appointments and then come for it.
Even I'm not getting the suggestion from her. I'm getting my suggestion. I was literally coming at night to see what she is giving the treatment to other patients. I was that person that I want to see what she is giving the other person treatment to other person. That was the mindset for to see, because I am the patient.
Yes.
I am given the money to her to get the best treatment from me.
Exactly.
So I was getting the best quality that she is giving or not. So I came at night also, in even morning also. I'm surprised that this ladies is giving the best treatment to small boy also and aged person also. That aged person giving me the best suggestion after going outside. That Chirag, do not be quit from her treatment. She is giving the best solution and best treatment to you. She will not even get back from your treatment. So I continue my treatment to her and get the best relief and best sleep from her.
So it was very surprising for me also.
I'm the patient. Even all over India,
Yes,
every patient will see and confirm what other patients is getting treatment.
Yes, so
Of
true.
course, I was confirming my what Dr. Salini is giving the treatment. Sorry for that.
No. I'm
Yes,
quite happy.
I'm giving my money. I'm getting my. I want my best treatment for her. So I was getting my suggestion, and I'm searching for best suggestion that what Dr. Salini is giving. So I grant to get best review from other previous customer of Dr. Salini. So I continues my 23rd and other.
It's really good. And see, when he verified, when he cross-checked, he was able to give such a nice review. So I'm not against about it, but it's a very good habit that once you are getting the best review from Google, and then even you are talking to the patients who are continuing with me, and even you are seeing the live demo of the patients in front of you. So that's a very great feeling for me also, that you verified, and now that you have such a good trust. See, this is how brand is built, and trust is the only essence. And continuity of that trust is what you will be in the future. So I would ask everyone, please do go for physiotherapy. It can save your amount of surgery. घुटने का प्रॉब्लम हो, गर्दन का प्रॉब्लम हो, कमर का प्रॉब्लम हो, हाथ का प्रॉब्लम, जो भी प्रॉब्लम हो, क्यों सर्जरी करवानी है? क्यों अननेसेसरी खुद को कटवा के और फिर उसको सिलाई करवा के और फिर भी तो हमारे पास ही फिजियोथेरेपी करवाने आना है, राइट और रॉन्ग?
यस यस ऑफ कोर्स।
सो क्यों ना उससे पहले, एंड देन आई नो फिजियोथेरेपी कैन रिवर्स एवरीथिंग. I've treated so many patients. I don't even now know the count, but I've treated so many patients and I've given them life. I've brought back to the patient his life, his quality life. Rather, I would say this quality life. So I would suggest, please do not go for the operation directly. Please do consult your physiotherapist and pay charges. See, it's a karma. एक बार अगर तुमने बचा लिया, you will have to give it out everything. कहीं ना कहीं तो देना पड़ेगा भाई.
I even tell that do not pay 400 to 500 for pizza. But first of all, give 400 to 500 or 1000 rupees for your body. If you are getting any pain in your body, first suggest search on Google that where is the Dr. Salini, get the treatment. I'm guaranteed you that 1000 rupees that worth that I'm not given to pizza.
You take consultation only if you are satisfied on consultation. You can go for therapy. I am also not so free that I will take anyone on everyone. I am a very choosy type of person and I don't take every patient. First of all, I always go for patients who can understand what I am able to convey and is he or she ready to first heal or not. अगर heal करने के लिए ready नहीं हो और therapist में अगर तुम खामियां ढूंढोगे, so that will not go well, no? तो समझो, ये हर बड़ी हॉस्पिटल, हर बड़ी लग्जरियस जगह are just for money, showing menu card, taking money, patient की कोई लेन देन नहीं. I'm not saying, my patient say, he is not the one, there are many others. Don't go for the cost you are paying to me. I will give you more out of it. If you pay me 500, I'll give you for 1000 rupees back. The relief you will face, it's more than 1000. You cannot even consider how much relief I have given. So ये जो छोटी छोटी बातें छोटी छोटी दिमाग में है, 1000 रुपये लेती है, हाँ 1500 लेती है, नहीं, मैं जो लेती हूँ उसके बाद में मैं डबल तुमको रिटर्न करती हूँ और सुख देती हूँ तुम्हारे जीवन का, कि तुम्हारी बॉडी कितनी तुमको सुख दे सकती है. क्या करोगे ऐसा पैसा बचा के? क्या करोगे लग्जरियस होटल्स, हॉस्पिटल्स, लग्जरियस ये वो में जाकर? तुम्हारी बॉडी तुम्हारे साथ नहीं. सो आई एम रियली सॉरी इफ आई हर्ट सम ऑफ द सेंटिमेंट्स विच आई नेवर एम फॉर. माई ओनली कंसर्न इज प्लीज़ अपना बॉडी का फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ध्यान रखो. 7 दिन से ज़्यादा पेन अगर परसिस्ट करता है कंटिन्यूसली एक पॉइंट पे, तो अप्रोप्रिएट डॉक्टर को दिखाओ एंड उसका ट्रीटमेंट लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है. मेरे पास तो तुम नहीं आओगे, कोई और आ जाएगा, कोई और नहीं तो कोई और सही.
और अगर कोई भी लेडीज, हम तो जेंट्स है, मैं तो 28 साल का हूँ बेसिकली, मैं तो एक एज ए बॉय हूँ. अगर इन फ्यूचर कोई भी हाउस वाइफ को कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, डॉक्टर के पास जाने से पहले कोई भी पेन हो, पैरों का पेन हो, हड्डियों का पेन हो, गले का पेन हो या माथे का पेन हो, कुछ भी हो, पहले सर्च करो गूगल पे डॉक्टर शालिनी, फिर उनके पास आओ, ट्रीटमेंट लो. मैं गारंटी देता हूँ आपके सारे दर्द भुला देंगे, सारे दर्द. आपको कोई, देखो पैसा इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, पैसा तो आज का मेल है, वो आएगा जाएगा, ठीक है. हस्बैंड कमा रहे हैं आपके लिए तो वो हस्बैंड ट्रीटमेंट भी देंगे आपके लिए, ठीक है. तो उस हिसाब से कोई भी हाउस वाइफ को अगर कोई भी पेन होना, सीरियस पेन हो, तो डॉक्टर का सजेशन लो. अगर आपको लगता है कि यस मेरे को अभी ये नॉर्मली पेन है या कुछ भी ज़्यादा पेन हो रहा है, तो पहले फिजियोथेरेपी को बता दो, तो पहले डॉक्टर शालिनी का सजेशन लो, उनके पास आओ, कंसल्टेंट लो, फिर ट्रीटमेंट लो। मैं गारंटी देता हूँ 7 दिन में जो पेन रिलीफ होगा ना, आपके हस्बैंड या आपके बच्चे भी बोलेंगे कि मम्मा या वाइफ या दादी आपको इतना रिलीफ कैसे हुआ। आप बोलोगे डॉक्टर शालिनी के वजह से हुआ।
आज तो मुझे लगता है मुझे नींद नहीं आने वाली है। पेशेंट इतने खुश है, मुझे तो पता नहीं था। मैंने तो जस्ट ऐसे ही इनको कहते हैं, मैंने कहा आप रिव्यू ले लेते हैं। इट्स 23rd सेशन एंड क्वाइट रिलीफ आपको है। और अभी तो हो सकता है शायद 0 ही हो, जिस तरह से बैठे हैं मुझे तो ऐसा ही लग रहा है आज तो 0 ही है समझो लो। तो मतलब बस अब मेरे पास और कुछ कहने के लिए है नहीं, काफ़ी लंबा मैंने समय ले लिया है, इसीलिए लिया है। अच्छा, इसमें ये वीडियो बनाने में मेरा सोल कोई बेनिफिट है?
आपका कोई बेनिफिट नहीं, बेनिफिट तो पेशेंट्स का है। पेशेंट अगर पेन में जूझ रहे हैं तो उनका बेनिफिट है। ये वीडियो से, मेरे व्यू से अगर वो आपका ट्रीटमेंट लेंगे तो उनका बेनिफिट है। आपका तो जीरो बेनिफिट है। आपको तो ट्रीटमेंट देना है और कुछ नहीं।
फ्यूचर में कभी फ्लैट्स लेना हो तो प्लीज कॉन्टेक्ट हिम।
Of course, thank you for
works in
giving me
Rajhans.
my suggestion.
And he is a very genuine guy in fact. कोई भी मतलब to be very honest 28 years के ही है and plus young generation, मतलब this generation I even cannot explain किस तरह की है generation, but हाँ अच्छी भी है बुरी भी है, but I was spectacular when I observed that इतना अलग है इनका थॉट। मतलब जो मैं समझाना चाहती थी he was already having into himself कि पेन को अगर ठीक करना है तो कंटिन्यूस आना है, पेन को अगर ठीक करना है तो आलस छोड़ देना है, पेन को अगर रिलीफ देना है, रात को सोना है चैन से, तो इट इज नॉट मी हु इज कॉलिंग यू, इट इज यू हु इज गोइंग टू कम। मतलब ये तो मेरे बोलने की बारी ही नहीं आई, वो तो खुद ही इनके अंदर सेल्फ बिल्ड था। सो अगर आई जस्ट प्रे गॉड मुझे ऐसे ही पेशेंट्स मिले जो जिनको खुद अपनी बॉडी की वैल्यू पता हो, एंड मुझे बस उससे ज़्यादा और किसी से कुछ चाहिए भी नहीं। हाँ, आई चार्ज फॉर द बेनिफिट आई गिव विच इज़ मोर देन वॉट आई टेक। जो बेनिफिट आपको मिल रहा है वो मैं जो ले रही हूँ ना, वो उससे कई ज़्यादा बेनिफिट आपको मिल रहा है। सो अगर आप थोड़ा सा ब्रॉड करेंगे अपने माइंड को, अपनी सोच को, अलग परसेप्शन से देखेंगे, अलग व्यू से देखेंगे, सो यू विल रियलाइज कि तुमने क्या पाया है उन चंद पैसों के पीछे। तुमने क्या सुकून पाया है, तुमने रातों की नींद पाई है। जो तो तुम पैसे कितने भी रख लो, अपने बेड के नीचे रख के भी सो जाओ ना, तुमको नींद नहीं आएगी, ये टेंशन लगा रहेगा चोरी तो नहीं हो जाएगी आज रात को। तो मतलब समझ सकते हो अब आप। तो मैंने सब एक जो क्वेश्चन मैंने आज तक जो सुने हैं पेशेंटों के थ्रू, वो मैंने इनसे सारे इसलिए आज क्लियर करे। इवन ही वाज नॉट नोइंग मेरे क्या क्या क्वेश्चंस है, मैं बताती भी नहीं हूँ। उनको सिर्फ इतना पता था भाई मुझे ये तकलीफ है, ये बोलना है। बट मैंने और भी क्वेश्चंस करे, क्यों? ताकि मैं आप तक वो मैसेज पहुँचा सकूँ कि कहाँ लेकर जाओगे पैसे, क्या करोगे उन पैसों का, आगे कैरी फॉरवर्ड करोगे। किसी को कोई वैल्यू नहीं है आज, पैसे की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है आज, ट्रस्ट की वैल्यू है। इनको मेरे पे ट्रस्ट था, सी इज कंटिन्यूइंग। मुझे एक भी दिन इनको ये नहीं बोलना पड़ा तुम आओ मेरे पास, मुझे इनको एक भी दिन ये नहीं समझाना पड़ा कि मैं तुमसे ये चार्ज क्यों ले रही हूँ। और बस मुझे ऐसे ही पेशेंट चाहिए जो खुद से समझे खुद की वर्थ पहले और फिर मेरी ट्रीटमेंट की वर्थ। अगर वो अपनी वर्थ समझेंगे, अपनी लाइफ की वर्थ, अपनी बॉडी की वर्थ समझेंगे और अपनी नींद आने की पैटर्न को समझेंगे ना, फिर ही आओ मेरे पास। अगर तुम तैयार ही नहीं हो ना ट्रीटमेंट लेने के, तो प्लीज मेरे पास मत आना। आई एम अ वेरी रॉन्ग पर्सन फॉर यू देन।
वो छोड़ना पड़ेगा।
अभी ऑफेंसिव लगे तो आई एम रियली सॉरी फॉर इट, बट मेरे पास तभी आओ व्हेन यू रियली वांट टू गेट ट्रीटेड। बिकॉज मैं भी पेशेंट जल्दी से नहीं लेती हूँ, मैं नहीं लेना चाहती। जूस जिसको ठीक ही नहीं होना मैं लेना ही नहीं चाहती।
एजेड पर्सन जो लेजी है उनको लेंगे, पर जो मेरे जैसे यंगस्टर है और वो लेजी है उनके लिए तो बेस्ट।
अभी
लेजीपन छोड़ो, ट्रीटमेंट लो।
डेफिनेटली एज वालों के लिए तो मुझे एक छोटा सा पोर्शन रख के चलना पड़ेगा, बेचारे कितनी एज में आ गए।
उनको थोड़ा उनके लिए थोड़ा रिलीफ होता है लेजीपन के लिए, क्योंकि उनकी एज हो गई है। पर हम मेरे जैसे जो यंगस्टर है और वो लेजीपन में और दर्द में जी रहे हैं ना, भाई छोड़ो, जिंदगी एक ही है, छोड़ो, दर्द रिलीफ करो और जियो जिंदगी।
हाँ।
ये डॉक्टर मेरे को बोलते थे कि तुम पी के आए हो, क्यों? अरे मैं कभी पीता ही नहीं हूँ, कभी कुछ करता ही नहीं हूँ, क्योंकि मैंने 3 महीने या 4 महीने से नींद ही नहीं निकाली, तो मेरी आंखें लाल ही रहेगी। इवन माई एवरी क्लाइंट और एवरी माई कलीग्स सेज दैट योर आईज इज सो रेड, यू हैवंट ड्रिंक दैट। मैंने बोला भाई मैं कभी करता ही नहीं हूँ।
अभी देखो इनकी आईज,
ये देखो एकदम क्लियर हो गई है। क्यों? मैंने ट्रीटमेंट ली ब्रो, मैंने ट्रीटमेंट ली मेरी सिस्टर। ट्रीटमेंट लेनी पड़ेगी। आपको दर्द है तो पहले अगर डॉक्टर बोलते हैं सजेशन लो एज अ फिजियोथेरापी, पहले डॉक्टर शालिनी को कांटेक्ट करो। मैं बेस्ट बोल रहा हूँ, बेस्ट फ्रेंडली डॉक्टर भी है, फैमिली डॉक्टर भी है, बेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट देगी। आपके साथ बात करते करते ऐसी ट्रीटमेंट देंगी ना, आपको दर्द कभी पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि आपकी एक्सरसाइज हो गई।
सो चूज योर बेस्ट, थिंक वाइज, stay a very good and healthy life is my only advice and I'm always there for you. कभी कभी कुछ बातें कड़वी लगती है बट वो बोलनी इतनी ज़रूरी होती है, ताकि क्यों, मज़ा तो नहीं आ रहा, राइट? क्यों क्यों बताइए चिराग जी।
कभी देखना दारू जो पीता है ना उसकी हेल्थ खराब होती है, पर जो करेला का जूस पीता है ना उसकी हेल्थ एकदम बेस्ट रहती है। इन्होंने जो बताया कि मैं कड़वापन बोल रही हूँ, वो कड़वापन एक करेला का जूस है। आप कोई भी देखना, बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो बोलते हैं, सजेस्ट करते हैं कि करेले का जूस पीना चाहिए, तो ये करेले का जूस है, आप पियो, आपकी बॉडी ऐसी डिटॉक्स होगी पेन से, लाइफ टाइम आपको कोई जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। हाँ, आप मजे लेने के लिए डॉक्टर शालिनी के पास आओगे। मैं तो खुद इनको बोला हुआ है कि मेरा पेन रिलीफ हो गया ना, तो मैं ये चेयर है मसाज वाली, वो यूज करने आऊंगा, ये यूज करने आऊंगा। यस, मैं यूज करने आऊंगा। पर एक मेरा पेन रिलीफ हुआ, इसलिए करेले का जूस बन के ये मेरी लाइफ में आया है। तो उस हिसाब से आपकी लाइफ में अगर आपको करेले का जूस पीना है, थोड़ा कड़वा लगेगा पर आपकी बॉडी को ऐसा डिटॉक्स करेगा पेन से, क्या लाइफ टाइम आप देखोगे कि इनके जैसी कोई नहीं थी।
सो अगर आप हमेशा के लिए परमानेंटली लॉन्ग टर्म रिजल्ट के लिए किसी को सर्च आउट कर रहे हो, सो you can definitely opt for Shalini's Physiotherapy Clinic and I'm sure you will never regret my treatment. Mr. Chirag, it was really very great to talk with you. So thank you so much.